Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Wow, it's amazing to have you there. Okay guys, in today's update, so you are going to see how Liquorose got a new car, how she went to South Africa and enjoyed her stay with Bbnaija. So you will see how Angel responded to her fans who asked her if she's married, and then you will also see a lot of other updates in the video. Let's go right into the video and have fun. If you are new, kindly subscribe so that you get new and exciting updates every time I upload a new video. Let's go right into the video now. This is Liquorose's brand new car. This is a Bentley. This car is beautiful. Looking at it, this is beautiful. Look at it. Liquorose deserves this. What do you think about it? Guys, here's Liquorose. She's about to take off to South Africa.
Yeah.
Guys, Liquor just landed in South Africa. Wow, this is amazing. So Liquorose is with Bbnaija. Watch their moments together. Guys, here was the moment. Liquorose taught Bbnaija how to dance. And again, it was her birthday, so she decided to celebrate it in South Africa. Luckily, Liquorose was also in South Africa at the time. They had real fun together. Just to watch them.
It's a dance move that I have to do at 12 o'clock.
When do we start?
12, we have to practice now. Because 12 o'clock.
You gotta get the
12 o'clock. But let me tell you what, girl, I'm not a dancer. You have to remember, I'm not a dancer.
That's good. Yeah, and then exactly. And I just spend a little. Not scared. Yeah. I need him.
Okay, so let's set the camera and plan. Yo! Okay, now this is what 37 looks like. 37.
Wow. Absolutely like 37. $200 from the game.
Real quick. Legal money.
Guys, the girls just won $200. Wow, amazing.
Let's go.
Okay, away from this, we saw Emmanuel that's walking. Is he missing Liquorose? So guys, here is Tega. She just wrote something. She said, when it hurts to move, always remember the pens you felt hanging on. P. Franklin, who is close to Tega's husband, posted this. He said, remember you might lose your wife or husband to a fellow housemate if let them go to Big Brother. Just know, say things, they happen like this. And then Tega's husband replied in the comment section and said, God have mercy on them. This post triggers a lot of questions. People are asking, are you sure these guys are still married or what's wrong with them? Okay, away from that, Queenbbnaija won another endorsement. She just signed another big endorsement here. She wrote signed, sealed and delivered. Okay, we saw Saskay and Nini. They covered the front page of La Mode magazine. These guys are beautiful. Also Saskay, who had always wanted to be on the runway, is now doing her thing. She's also so excited to be a model. She's so excited to model because it has always been her dream. Okay, away from that, Angel replied to a comment by one of her fans. The fan said, way back, he said, "You're not gonna get married." And Angel said, "I am married to money. I married money." You can see it here. Okay, guys, you see Nini was always talking about her boyfriend in the house, but when she came out, she did not show her boyfriend, and people began to ask questions about the whereabouts of Nini. Yes, so here is Saga. Saga is so excited to fly private jets because he never dreamt of this. Alright, concerning Whitemoney has been on the cover page of 2 magazines. Yes, 2 interesting magazines. Watch him here. Wow. Yes. Yes, so concerning Irene has been sick. Look at how she is now. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you get new and exciting updates each time I upload a new video. This is Tricky.
Food is expensive. It's like the food is expensive.
No, it's not that expensive.